Hi there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. And today we're going to talk about fossil hunting and what you can expect to find here in the San Miguel area. As always, if you need additional information, there's links in the descriptive box below, including one that will take you out to Amazon.com that offers all the best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets book series for sale. The best area for exploring Mesoamerican sites in San Miguel de Allende runs from the border of colonial San Luis Rey out to Las Canas, a community on the road to Dolores Hidalgo behind Los Labradores. This same area features an abundance of fossils, giving insight to what the San Miguel de Allende area was like before ancient man sashayed about. Apparently, way back then, we had an abundance of water, which hosted lots of plants that were eaten by large animals. Mastodons, giant sloths weighing up to 6 tons, SUV-sized armadillo ancestors weighing up to 2 tons, giant rats and mammoths skulked about, leaving behind their enormous bones. Also, according to fossils, horses were the most abundant animal in the area 10 million years ago, though they became extinct and were reintroduced to the area by the Spanish much later. Today's coyotes can trace their family trees to the San Miguel de Allende area. Also found in fossils is an antelope-like creature that left behind enough teeth for scientists to label the area with the most adolescent and elderly of the breed. You know what an abundance of fossils attracts? Archaeologists and bone thieves. It is believed that at least 2,000 fossils have been stolen from the San Miguel de Allende area, despite up to $11,000 in fines, plus up to 10 years in prison if caught. In addition, bones have been used for ages to make ointments and teas for pain relief and curing diseases. San Miguel de Allende hosts the most complete fossil record in all of North America, due to the number of species already identified and thousands believed to be uncovered. The period to which these remains belong is the late Tertiary, I hope I said that right, which ranges from 1.8 to 3 million years ago. When my brother Mike was a child, he found a fossil in Pennsylvania he donated to a science museum. Apparently, the news item was picked up by Charlie Toone's team of Star-Kissed advertising fame, and he got a signed photo of Charlie and several cans of free tuna. So who knows, maybe if you dig up some fossils and donate them, Charlie Tuna will reward you too. Feel free to click the subscribe button below and you'll get notifications all month long